Thank you for watching The Weekend at 1. Now, at least 11 people have been killed this morning after gunmen using a vehicle packed with explosive blasted their way into a hotel in the Somalian capital, Mogadishu. Eyewitnesses say 2 bombs ripped through the Sahafi Hotel, which is frequented by government officials and lawmakers. Alshabab has claimed responsibility for the attack. African Union troops and government forces which battled the Alshabab gunmen say they have regained control of the hotel after a fierce 3-hour gun battle.
The sound of gunfire rent the air as survivors ran for dear life. Eyewitnesses say gunmen using a vehicle packed with explosives rammed the entrance to the Sahafi Hotel before 2 bombs ripped through the hotel where government officials and Somali members of parliament stay, and which is located near a busy area of Mogadishu known as K4. African Union troops and government forces battled the Al-Shabaab gunmen for at least 3 hours before regaining control of the hotel. 11 people were killed and several others were injured. Among those killed was the owner of the hotel, a lawmaker, a former military commander, and a radio journalist. Security officials say the death toll could rise. Al-Shabaab, which has frequently launched attacks in Mogadishu in its bid to topple the Western-backed government, has claimed responsibility for the attack. Rita Tinina, KTN News.